Oh hey guys, so I am vlogging right now, obviously. I'm about to go downstairs and then I'm gonna get you guys caught up on today, but before I go downstairs, I just wanted to show you the most awesome deodorant I have tried in a long time. This is from Native, and you guys may have heard a couple people talking about this. I can't remember, I think I saw like 2 or 3 people talking about this, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go try that. But this is coconut and vanilla scent, and it's so good. Native has like a seasonal box of mini deodorants, and I'm gonna buy that too because it's like, I can't remember the scents, but they're not pumpkin, but that kind of thing, like very fall scents. I just filmed a video upstairs and it was freezing up there. Downstairs it feels warm, but we'll see. We take a little sit down here. So I'm noticing that my foundation super does not match anywhere. My contour is not blended. Like, I was a mess today at work. Who let me out of the house like this? Right now, I have tons to do today, tons, and I don't want to do any of it. I don't know what has gotten into me where I'm like just not in the mood. This weekend I didn't do a ton of stuff, which actually felt really refreshing and good because I got to spend time with Dustin and kind of not have my brain all over the place, like about YouTube, filming, scheduling, groceries, meals, house, cleaning, laundry. I was just with Dustin and that was really, really good. Slacked so much that now I have like a lot to do, but I don't know if I want to delve into it today or tomorrow. I need to reorganize our pantry really bad. Like, it's embarrassing how messy our pantry is. And I need to go through some things and just see if they're expired and, you know, need to be thrown out. I need to wash my makeup brushes. I need to pick up the house a good bit. I just have a lot to try to get done and I just don't want to do any of it. My beautiful puppy dog's outside. Suki. Yeah, good girl. Good morning. Well, it's the next day. I literally did not accomplish literally anything yesterday after me being like, I have so much to do. Not to ramble too much other than to tell you guys, like, yesterday I tried so hard once I got home from work, like not to cry, just about every single little thing. Like, I was in the kitchen washing dishes and trying so hard not to cry, and Dustin was like, what can I get you or do for you to make you happy? Like, I don't know. I just have a lot of other things going on in my mind that for some reason I'm usually really good about things that annoy me or hurt my feelings or whatever, just kind of brushing them off and just keeping on. And this time, this season, I don't know, whatever this is, I can't do that as well. I'm just being dramatic. I need to go over my calendar because I've kind of like lost sight of what I'm filming when and what's uploading. I didn't upload yesterday, which was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday the 17th. I already had a video to go live and everything for yesterday. Like, I was telling people, yeah, my makeup look's gonna go live, blah, blah, blah. And then I don't know. I wasn't even thinking about it. And then I got into bed and was like, did I not upload that today? Like, it was already uploaded, I just needed to take it out for private. So I need to do that today. So my pantry, I have got to tackle today. It's crazy, it's a mess. There's stuff all over the floor, and I'm sure that there's some things that have expired because it's been that long since I've gone through it. I'm gonna try to move around the beauty room today a little bit. I decided the desk that I love so much, I'm going to try to figure out a way to keep that downstairs and push it up maybe against a different wall so it can be like for extra makeup or packaging or like whatever else I want to put on it. An update. I have moved all of the furniture. I have my music very loud and vacuumed, but I put the love seat over there. Do you guys hate it there? I genuinely can't decide because it gives us so much more space, like here, obviously. I don't know, you guys tell me. Also, popped a nail off moving the sofa, so nail tutorial coming tomorrow. But it's actually like almost, it's 1:48. I haven't eaten today, so I fixed myself some avocado toast and these blackberries, you guys, that I got from Sam's. They're huge, like, that's one. And I got a pound of them for $5, so just so you know that they're really good blackberries for really cheap. Okay, it's time. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. So I have Dustin's clothes up here that I need to take up. These are still drying, but these all need to go. Okay, so it's a mess. It just looks like disorganized and scattered and scary. So I don't really know what the plan is, if I'm being honest. And I don't even know how I'm gonna set you guys in here because I have like not a lot of room, but we're gonna try it. So here we go. Cannot back up any more than this because I have tons of trash, tons of it. But I put all my storage stuff over here like Ziplocs. Again from Sam's, we got this whole thing. It came with storage, the quart size, 50 of those, 90 snack, and then 50 more storage. Why do I keep saying storage? Obviously storage, quarts. And then a half gallon, 48 of those. And it was like $15, so that's a really good deal. And yeah. Everything was looking a little bit more in place. I kind of could not believe how much I had to throw out. So that felt really, really good. As you guys saw, I put all the waters down here. Whew. And yeah, feeling a lot better. Now I'm gonna see if I can take some of this stuff up to work. I'm not eating those anymore. And I have a couple other things that me and Dustin just don't eat that came in some of like snack packs and things like that. So I'm gonna see if somebody else would like them. So, whew. Oh, P.S. I have this candle open in here all the time. And this is the Always a Fall Favorite Hot Cocoa and Cream from Bath and Body Works. Literally smells like cookies in here, which I'm convinced makes me eat cookies more than I actually like to eat cookies, but it's delicious. That's a good tip, is to get a candle and just leave it open in a room, and it really helps the smell. Okay, now it's time for under the sink, but you guys, I just popped off another nail. This is getting to be like funny in the most unfunny way, so let's see how many more will pop off before this cleaning day is done. So, I don't know. I'm not sure what has happened here. So, and yeah, if you were wondering, that's a Dunkin' Donut cup. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna get started on this and then one more thing out of the way. Okay, so that wasn't actually as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it's still not pretty, but it's a little more organized. A few hours later, maybe an hour later, all my nails are off. I got bored. I popped another one off, as you guys saw, so I just decided to go ahead and take them all off. Right now, I'm trying to decide what to do down here. I'm thinking I'm gonna take this desk and put it against that wall, but as you guys can see over here, those two boxes are Halloween stuff, and then the other boxes are just empty. I just need to take them upstairs to the trash. So, do you see yourself? Look right here. Do you see your puppy? Do you see that puppy? you. So yeah, I think first I'm gonna try to move this table. But if I get started on it and it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to move it, I'm just gonna have to wait until Dustin gets here. She just sat down in my lap. Okay, we'll just cuddle instead. Here's an overview of how different it looks. I still have these boxes to take upstairs, but I moved this up quite a bit because it was like right here. Moved that up, moved this all the way onto the rug, my little cart, and then I moved the desk over here. So I think I'm gonna use this for like my influencer packages and my sample box from Walmart, just some things like that. But I also thought I could bring a chair down here and make this part kind of like a desk down here and bring my laptop down. So yeah, I think that might do a little bit better. And I'm gonna be closer this way to a plug and not have to like plug it in behind me and risk tripping over it because I'm literally the clumsiest person, so. Oh, hello.
Oh, hey.
So what are you doing?
I'm making chicken.
What are we making tonight?
Pizza.
I'm in a Batman ensemble now.
Batman ensemble.
Did you see the pantry?
I didn't look yet.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Okay, so my pizza's out now. I like to make a margarita pizza, so it's just, I use vegan butter this time, which I normally don't do. Olive oil, mozzarella, and tomatoes, and then I put some Italian seasoning on it. And this is vegan cheese, so this is the first time I'm trying this kind of vegan cheese, so hopefully it's good because it's a lot of it. Kind of look not so good today. Good morning. Today is Sunday the 21st of October, and I haven't vlogged in a while. I haven't done any videos in a while, filming wise. I've just kind of been working on some ideas that I'm really excited about, but also just spending some time with Dustin. But we're about to go to church. This morning it is so cold. I don't even think I have this scarf on right, and I don't even care. Pretty sure this is out of focus. Let's see. It's the hardest part of getting things in focus is my arms are so short that I have to lean forward enough to be able to reach it, and then I don't know if I'm in focus again. We're gonna have lunch with Dustin's parents after church, and then, yeah, I think it should be relatively chill. I've had a lot of clips from like when I was filming, I think last week, like through the whole week, and then I just kind of decided at some point I was gonna take a break this weekend, so enjoy the clips of all of that. How's your morning so far?
Got a biscuit.
Got a biscuit. Did you sleep good?
Huh?
Did you sleep good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We're gonna get going so we're not late, and then I'll see you guys somewhere along the way. Okay, we came briefly to our house. I did not change because I am so frozen. Sugi's back there chilling. Sugi. Hey.
No. No pay attention.
She's just gonna look out
Only
the window.
windows.
Yeah, only windows now. I think we're having burgers today, is that right?
I think so.
Your mom texted me and said she's trying black bean burgers for me and her.
Cool.
So I'm really excited about that.
It'll be yummy.
It will be yummy. Do I feel as rough as I look? Yes, yes I do. Good morning. Today is the 22nd of October. I did end up filming a lot more yesterday. We had really good family time at Dustin's house. His grandparents came over too. We were there for like 5-ish hours, I think. And so that was just really nice. And then we didn't do literally anything worth documenting when we came back home. Last night was a really rough night. Morning's been a really rough morning. And I'm just like, it's not even that I'm unmotivated to do something today. I don't know. I'm just being pulled in every direction, I feel like. Like I want to clean the house today. I want to and need to film and like edit for YouTube. I want to go outside and play with Suki. Like, I don't know. It's really not that big of a deal and I'm trying to be dramatic. I just am like, bleh. Today so far, just fixed myself a humongous cup of coffee because I originally woke up at 6 something, not a lot earlier than what I normally get up. In fact, I think a little bit later than what I normally get up. Like I said, it was a rough morning. So actually laid down on the sofa for about 30 minutes and like slept-ish, and that was really like I needed to do that. So, but I wanted to holler at y'all for a minute. Is that the right term? Probably not. I just want to talk to you guys. I haven't officially decided, but I've pretty officially decided that I'm gonna start a second channel for vlogging. I have asked several times what you guys prefer, and I feel like it's always kind of mixed. Like some people are like, I don't care, keep it all here, and then some people are like, definitely have a second channel. But I just think if I split up the two, I'll feel more like I can vlog more often or do long vlogs or, you know, whatever, and not feel like, man, I've already done 3 vlogs. I need to do a makeup video or something, you know, like kind of looking at it like 2 separate businesses, if that makes sense. Like here's my fashion and makeup and beauty and whatever. And then over here is like my lifestyle one. So I think I'm gonna do that. I already have a second channel and I'm just gonna call it Sarah Weldon Vlogs. I've changed it so many times trying to make that channel something. And I did move over a couple vlogs there, but I think I'm just gonna start fresh. Secondly, I just want to tell you guys I'm reading this book right now that I'm probably gonna finish today or tomorrow. It's not very long, but I kept trying to sit down and read it yesterday, but it was an evening here at this household that one day I'll tell you about. So this is from Paul and Gone. And it is called 101 Questions You Need to Ask in Your 20s. And then there's a second book called 101 Things. Okay, so there's another book called 101 Secrets for Your 20s. So I picked this up because when I flipped through it at Target, I kind of thought it was gonna be one of those like silly books that's like not important to life. But the questions, I was like, oh dang, those are like good questions. The one I just randomly opened to. Am I being brave enough to be awkward? And then there was one about like productivity or chasing your dreams or something that I was just like, okay, I'll get this book. Am I holding my dreams hostage and demanding that I pay the ransom? So anyways, it's a really short book. I think it's like almost 300 pages. I'm getting there on it. I think I already said that I fixed myself a huge cup of coffee and I'm gonna go drink it. And then I'm gonna plan out my day and week and life. Guys, I'm editing this vlog right now and it's already almost 20 minutes long, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it out here and I'm gonna continue filming for you guys today. So I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and I'll see you there. Bye.